Welcome back to the garage. Finally, there is a small project update that I can show off, but during filming all of my audio equipment either ran out of battery or decided to just stop working. That is why I'm narrating this video instead of talking awkwardly to the camera. Back to the main topic of this video. I finally have an electric motor that sort of fits the frame I'm using. It's a QS138 70H with the built-in gear reduction of supposedly 1 to 2.35. This motor is rated for 5.5 kilowatts continuously and 11 kilowatt peak according to the manufacturer. People have pushed this motor up to 25 kilowatt and some even up to 35 kilowatt peak power without immediately burning out the motor. This is way more power than I need for my project, so the motor should not overheat anytime soon. For this motor, I've designed and 3D printed a mounting bracket. I've designed the bracket in such a way that the parts can easily be made out of 4mm flat steel using a CNC or water jet cutter, and then weld all the parts together again. Here you can see me test fit the mounting bracket in the frame. To check the position of the motor and if the motor sprockets align with the rear wheel sprocket. Sadly, the motor sprocket is 2 centimeters too far to the left. This is an easy fix, but then the motor is hanging over the rear brake pedal, meaning it's hard or impossible to push the rear brake pedal. I have two ideas of how I could fix this. One idea is to move the brake pedal 2 centimeters outward, or completely replace the rear brake pedal with a brake lever on the left side of the handlebar, like you have on a bicycle. Each solution has its advantages and disadvantages, so I need to give it a little bit more thought before I'm gonna commit to any of these changes. I also need to order a different sprocket for the motor because the one that came with the motor is for a bigger type of chain, so it won't fit with the current chain I'm using. And I don't also want to change the sprocket of the rear wheel because that would mean I need to have a custom sprocket made for this, which is going to be very expensive and it's going to take a lot of time to get a new one if it's needed. That's it for this video and see you next time.